Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, April the 17th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of your trading room, and this is the address to get into the room. And the room is live between 9 a.m. and up to 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and I share my screen all day long as well. And it is a free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can come in as a guest. No credit cards, no nothing. We encourage anybody who wants to see how we're doing, how we use Trade Ideas to trade. We have a lot of great traders in our trading room. All right. Well, I took last week off because we were right in the kind of most of the time I was answering questions about our platform, Trade Ideas platform. We had been running a special for the week. Today is kind of the last day, though there were some still people for Tuesday and Wednesday also. But it was, for $8.88, you could $8.88, you could have access to our entire program and our premium service, real time, the whole bit. And so, I was inundated with questions, which is fine. That's why we have had that special. And so I didn't trade very much, so consequently I didn't do any videos. However, it's kind of getting back into it in a little bit slowly today, but I had a couple of early trades that did not work out in Trove and one second, and also the one. Can't read my writing here. Oh, Sabre. Sabre. Didn't quite work out. Looking for some pops. This little break here on Sabre had a quick pop on it. Basically got out kind of flat. Trove was the other one. Was looking, on this one break. It just didn't continue, so I took a little loss on that one. However, this one has turned out quite nicely. This Lance. Pre-market news. This is earnings. Was an earnings play, or the earnings, official earnings, are around 16 days from now, I believe. But they released preliminary results, so this is how the market reacted to that. This pink area right there is the pre-market action. So we had an eye on this one and decided to take that trade just at 33.25. It was hanging just over the whole number here. Notice this little pullback and then the pop over the whole number. So I took the trade at 33.25. Now, I actually thought this would just turn into more of a little quick scalp trade. I did take some out at 33.35, and I also took some out at I'm sorry, I sold some at 33.55 and 33.63, but now it popped over 34. If it gives up 34 again, I'll probably get out. But that gave me way more than I actually thought it would. Just looking at this is potential void fill on the daily chart. So it turned out to be a pretty nice little trade. And the other one that is turning out okay is ORC. ORC was actually a swing trade from Thursday. The last, Friday was, of course, closed. Got in around right here, right in this area here. Decided to hold it, like the daily. Why did I hold this one? Take a look at the daily chart, and this had. I just wanted to see if we would have some continuation, and so far, so good, but you look left and look at the potential void. Again, somebody asked me, do all stocks fill their void? And of course, we can't possibly know that. I can't say yes, they do. If I knew they were going to all fill their void, I would just basically, put everything into this stock and wait for the void to fill. But of course, that's not the case. But why we're looking at the void is we just want to see, okay, at least there's no chart resistance that can get in the way. Doesn't mean there's some that could be another reason why it could stall right here and come right back down. But at least there's no chart resistance that is going to get into the way. And so that's what I look for anyway. I just look left on a daily / weekly chart and see if I see this nice void area. That gives me a little more confidence in holding on to a trade and swinging it. Well, that's kind of it. Is kind of getting back into doing the daily videos. It was quick. I say not a lot going on for me today, but certainly the Lance trade is turning out nicely. And this swing, I don't know what I'm going to do at the end of the day. I may sell some out just to, ensure some profit, but we'll have to see. All right. Well, listen. Thanks very much for listening. And again, those of you who are still on the daily, on the test trial, that will run, I guess, tomorrow and Wednesday. And then after that, we're completely back to normal. You will not see any of the Holly trades that I've got on my screen. So thanks for listening. And again, I usually open the room at about 8:45 and get live on the mic at 9 and up to 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So hopefully we'll see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye bye.